OpenSite Designer, optimizing your designs for better projects. In this short video, we're going to look at some challenges for engineers and how the OpenSite brand of products are going to help you overcome obstacles to deliver those better projects. So let's look at 3 obstacles that a lot of us in the design industry will run into. The first one is time. So what I mean by time is that we have to get projects done. There's just not enough time for most of us to look through the numerous iterations that we need to come up with the best possible design. We do the best we can within the time frame that we have to deal with. Our budgets are what are driving our ability to do our best design. On the left, you're going to see OpenSite Designer, quickly going through acquiring data, doing some designs for parking lots, buildings, roadways, residential. And what this is going to allow you to do, when you can quickly do those designs by letting automation, parametrics, and optimization work for you, you're going to leverage those skills as a designer, as an engineer. That's what the client's paying for. They want you to do their project and use those skills. But what it also helps is eliminate the risk for you and the client. The client will have risk, and we'll talk about that in the next section. But you have risk in getting the job done, making sure that you're going to be able to make your money and be productive and make the client happy. OpenSite products are going to help you do that. Let's take a look at the second obstacle. Clients. We all have them, whether internal, like stakeholders on a project, or whether they're external, and that's who we're doing the project for, and they have clients that they're delivering to as well. Our job is to help them understand what the project is, identify risk, and minimize them. The OpenSite products, you're going to be able to do exactly that. For example, moving of dirt is a huge risk in every project. It's the biggest unknown. OpenSite can help you do that. Determine whether you put walls or don't put walls, import, export. Look for those issues and help decide what's the best thing to do. We even give you the ability to work with those clients a little more interactively through iTwin services. Deliver out that model. Let them look at it. They don't need any special software. They can comment, get that comment back to you for change, and then turn around and review your change to make sure that you've met what they're looking for. Making this process fast and simple so that you can look at more and more revisions with the client's input to get those better projects and deliverables. The last obstacle we're going to look at is adoption. Now, when we're looking at adopting new workflows and new softwares, it's scary, and we all know that. And at OpenSite, come up with something that's going to help make that a lot easier for you. A lot of us are used to using 2D CAD design tools. So in OpenSite Designer, you're using CAD tools to create a 3D model. Along with OpenSite Designer, you're going to get as a companion SiteOps. This has a lot of the same 3D drawing tools in a more simple interface that you can design, whether it's multifamily, single family, non-commercial, commercial, it doesn't matter. Create those projects, then be able to export that to your favorite CAD program for creating construction documents. We realize that people are not just going to shift from one workflow to another overnight. So SiteOps is here to help you work through that process over a shorter period of time, but making sure you can get the value of what it has to deliver now, not waiting to spend weeks or months learning the new software. The other thing we also deliver is LumenRT. This is a 3D visualization tool that's going to simply take those models from OpenSite and help you create an enlivened environment that will wow any stakeholder in a project, whether it's day, night, cars moving, people moving, trees swaying with the wind. This is how you're going to deliver those amazing 3D visualizations that wow your clients. Your competitor's not doing it, so you should. How to open those possibilities to solving your problems? You're going to do this by using OpenSite Designer, OpenSite SiteOps. Even have open flows that's built within OpenSite Designer, give you a 100 pipe run for free to analyze it and design it. Also works with all the other OpenFlow products. LumenRT to create those amazing environments, to create the visualizations. And iTwins, be able to interact with other models, create those review scenarios similar to what we saw, and be able to communicate those designs. And the beauty of this, they all work together. This is not individual pieces that doesn't know how to talk to each other. They're models that know how to react. They know how to analyze, and they know how to work together. Choose OpenSite Designer. It is going to help you optimize your designs for better projects. It's going to help you do things faster and easier, deliver better projects, and have those happier clients. If you'd like to learn more about OpenSite Designer, go to virtuosity.com and they'll help get you started on OpenSite Designer and improving your workflows.